Alright, good afternoon. This is Mr. Charles once more, and today we'll be looking at questions taken from the past questions of General Mathematics Core 1 for the year 2016. So, we'll be doing a few questions, so let's dive right in. Alright, now the very first question has to do with number bases. Okay, now this question is asking us to find the value of x. That's the value of the base. Now the main method for solving this question is to simply convert all the numbers involved to base 10. Alright, so let's quickly see how that is done. Okay, so as usual, this is all about mathematics, asking us to find x. Yes, mathematics is still not old enough to solve her problems, so let's help her do that. Okay, why must mathematics be a lady? Maybe it's a guy. Okay, whoever mathematics is, who cares? Alright, so let's take on the first number. So we're going to start with okay, see that? Started with the last digit picks on x raised to the power 0. The next one picks on x raised to the power 1. Alright, so let's see what this is going to give us. This is going to give us anything raised to the power 0 is 1, so 3 times 1 is going to give us 3. Anything raised to the power 1 is that same thing, so we're going to multiply this by 2, and we have 2x plus 3. Okay, now we pick on the next number, and since we have 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, so I'm going to pick on 1 times x raised to the power 2 plus 0 times x raised to the power 1 plus 1 again times x raised to the power 0. Okay, so we start again from this side. X raised to the power of 2 is going to give us x squared. Okay, x raised to the power of 2 is x squared times 1 is x squared, and with the 0 involved, that gets out of the way. Okay, so we might as well not write it, and x raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. You got it. Okay, now finally let's handle the guy outside on the right hand side of the equal sign, and that's 130. So again, we count 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, and I'm going to have the same way this one started. Okay, x is the power of 1, and finally 0. Well, this one is as good as not being in the picture, right? Yes, I'm sure we know that. Okay, so it's gonna give us again x raised to the power of 2. Okay, plus this x raised to the power of 1 is x times 3. I would have 3x. Okay, and the last one, we know here is a 1, but once you multiply it by 0, we might as well not write it. So let's combine everything we have, and this is what we're gonna have next. The left hand side is gonna look like this. 2x plus 3 will stand in the place of 23 raised to the power of x, this way. Okay, 2x plus 3. Okay, the next thing, you have your plus. Alright, plus. Now 101 to base x, we handled it and it gave us x squared plus 1. So we're going to go x squared plus 1. Okay, and finally you put your equals to. Okay, we're just replacing the numbers with their equivalents in base 10. Okay, so I'll come down here and have 130. In place of 130 to base x, I have x squared plus 3x. Okay, x squared plus 3x. Okay, so you know what we're gonna do next? Yes, we're going to collect like terms. Alright, let's collect the like terms. Okay, now if you collect the like terms, we will bring this x squared over to this side, and bring 3x over to this side, so we have a quadratic equation. No. Okay, let's take a look at it closely. Oh yeah, the x squared coming over to this side will make, let's put all the x squareds together. Okay, x squared minus x squared. See that the x squared is gone. Alright, and then you have your 2x. Okay, it's a positive 2x minus 3x. Okay, alright, now you know what we're gonna do. Let's move the whole numbers to the other side. So that's 3 plus 1 would give me 4. So by the time 4 comes over to this other side, it's going to be a minus 4. Alright, now 2x, x squared minus x squared is 0. Okay, you know why it's a minus? Because it moved from the right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, so 2x minus 3x will give me minus x, or minus 1x, which is as good as minus x, and I have that. Okay, so I have minus 4 on the other side. Alright, so I'll quickly divide both sides by minus 1. Okay, and 1 into 4 is 4. So I'll have that, therefore x is equal to 4. Okay, so let's go through the process again. Can we see it? Okay, second step takes us to convert each number to base 10. Okay, and then this is for 23, or 23 to base x going to base 10. Okay, and this is for 101 to base x going to base 10 on the right hand side, and finally 130 to base x going to base 10. Okay, and then we now combined all that we had on the right hand side. Remember, the right hand side of the equality sign for each of those steps is in base 10. So we now replaced 2x plus 3 with 23x to base x, and we replaced x squared plus 1 with 101 to base x. We put our equal sign and we replaced x squared plus 3x Okay, we replace x squared plus 3x with 130 to base x, and we came up with this and this. Okay, and then we collected our like terms, and there you go, we had it combined right there. Alright, so if you have any questions, let me know, and we'll take it up from there.